We will start with all 5 of the same sides, same type. This is the first type, and the second type is the one which is mirrored. This is the mirrored one. Let's start with the first type. Take 2 units, and you will notice this is the pocket and this is the flap. This is the pocket and this is flap. So take the flap, insert to the pocket here like this, and we want to tape this. Go ahead, insert, secure it. Right. The third one will be inserting to the second unit like this. So I'll put my tape. Second unit to the third. The fourth goes into the third one. One, two, three, fourth. The fifth one here, insert it like this. And finally, to complete the cycle, the first one should goes into the fifth, like this. And we have a complete cycle of the first type. Now we want to focus on the extra flap here. This one's an extra pocket. Take the other type here. We want to insert all 5 into this pocket. There will be 5 pockets here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So just take this one, insert here like this. And we will have one flap at the side here, which has to go into the second type pocket, like this. Now just repeat. This is the original, one pocket here. Insert it here. And beside it, there will be a flap, inserts to pocket here. Just continue all around for all the 5 units. Here beside, insert it back. second last. So this one back. And final one, this one. And to close off all this, just insert all this flap into the pockets that's just right in front of it. And it will close off.